Hi, it's Jen and Tammy back with another Notions video.
Yep.
Tammy gave me a challenge. She said, Jen, I want you to bring in every ruler you have and dump them in the middle of the video table. And I said, tell me there's a reason that I should do that. She's like, I promise there'll be a reason. What's the reason,
What's
Tammy?
the reason? A lot of us have a lot of different rulers. And I know when I first started out, I just had one ruler.
Me, I was happy to have one ruler.
One ruler was
great. I was doing
great.
the scissor thing till then.
Okay, one ruler was good. But now, as we quilt and go along, we accumulate rulers. Storing our rulers is very difficult. I know that I was putting mine in a drawer. It seemed the most logical place. It kept them all together. But what's happening is as these rulers are acrylic and they are precision instruments, they're sliding, they're getting scratched, they're clunking into each other. And I actually got one that had a nick in it. And I thought, you know what? I'm done. I need to find another way
they're an investment.
to fix it. They are a big investment in your ruler.
Okay.
Okay, so I have a ruler rack.
This is awesome.
Cool is
and
this?
this
Isn't
is
this cool?
this is wood.
This is real wood. It is wood.
Oh my gosh.
And it's got little feet on the bottom, so it's going to protect like a tabletop or something. It's not going to scratch it. So
I need this.
I know. You already know what
I don't
You know
have
where
this.
I'm going.
You know where most of my
You need
rulers.
this.
I have to admit, I had to take the piles of fabrics off
the
certain
rulers
to find
well,
them.
see, there you go. This is the way we do this. And you can. I love these channels are long enough that I can put multiple rulers in there.
You have 5 channels?
I have 5 channels. Look how many rulers I could put in here, John. This is just so cool.
You know what? I just realized that when you have the tool that you need available to you, you always grab the right tool.
You do grab the right tool.
When I can't find the actual ruler I want, I end up kind of making do with something else. And you're kind of a little annoyed maybe.
I know I have that other ruler. Where is it?
But I want to get going
I don't know
on
where
the
it is.
project.
It's right here. I have this now on a shelf in my sewing room. When I get ready to cut a project, I will take the rulers I need and I know exactly where they are. I store them neatly, upright. How cool is this?
So you could, I'm going to strategize here.
You
I want to fit these babies
Absolutely.
on here. So maybe, can we fit this one back here?
Sure.
We put another big one. Or I know, well, you get 2.
Sometimes you need 2 ruler racks.
You're way ahead of me.
Oh, yeah, way ahead of here. So then I just move my big ones to the back so I know where they are.
And this is really affordable.
Isn't this fun? It is.
I remember
it's
you mentioning this, and I don't have this right now.
You do need this. This is fun.
And they're durable. This is going to last forever. Okay.
There's a lot of room to expand. Look how neat and tidy this is now. I love it.
You know what I'm going to say. I need this. You need this.
Just buy it.
Just buy it.
Or 2.
or 3. Okay, we'll see you next time. I don't have these.
I know.
Can you order me some of those?
Yes, ma'am. How many would you like? 2?
Well,
3?
at least 2.
I
better get 3.
You need 2. This fits on the shelf in my bookcase, and I have 2, just like this.
Well,
this is what I do with my rulers.
Then it's asking to get more rulers to fill the slots.
Exactly.
So
now you have room for it.